Hello viewers, my name is George Cantriff. You can also call me GEOCAN, and I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, today is our third session on equations with a variable on both sides of the equal to sign. Please pay critical attention here today as we tackle this particular question. Go. The question says solve the equation 3 into bracket x minus 2 bracket close is equal to x plus 8. Good. What do you do first? Write your solution. Solution simply means how you solve the question in order to have a presentable and neat work. Good. So you state or write the question again. So we have 3 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to x plus 8. Remember, we have brackets here. Brackets means multiplication. So with this, we have to expand this. What I mean is this 3 has to multiply this x, and this 3 will multiply this negative 2 as well. So 3 times x will give us 3x. Now, 3 times negative 2 will give us what? Negative 6. It's so essential. Please, the negative sign is so essential. So it's equal to x plus 8. Good. Remember, we are grouping like terms. It's always easier for the variables to be on the left-hand side and the constants on the right-hand side. So with this, we want 3x to be on the left-hand side and stand alone. So this negative 6 must go. And how does it go? Unless we add 6 to both sides of the equation, then we can get rid of it. So let's do that. So we have 3x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to x plus what? 8. What? Then plus 6. Good. Now you have 3x. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So you have equal to x. Now 8 plus 6 will give us 14. So plus 14. Good. Now, as I said, we did constants on what? Our right hand side. Only constant. But what do we have? We have x closer to the 14. So what do we do to get rid of the x, which is a positive? Mean we have to subtract x from both sides of the equation. Whatever you do to the left hand side, you definitely have to do to the right hand side when it comes to equation. So let's do that. So 3x minus x is equal to x minus x plus 14. Good. 3x minus x. When you have x, it's the same as 1x. X standing alone, the same as 1 in front of it. But usually we don't write it. So 3x minus 1x will give us what? 2x. 2x, which will be equal to x minus x is 0. So we've gotten rid of it. Then we have our 14. Please then nice. So 2x is equal to 14. What do we have closer to x is 2. So meaning you should divide through both sides of the equation by 2. So write the equation again. 2x is equal to 14 divided by 2 divided by 2, right? 2 will cancel 2. Now 2 will go into 14 how many times? 2, 7, 14. And 2 will go into itself once. That's 2, 1, 2. So now x will be equal to 7 over 1, right? And 7 over 1 is the same as also 7. So x is equal to what? 7. X is equal to what? 7. Easy as A, B, C, D. Now, as I always say, if you really want to check your answer, you can do that. Go back to the equation you were given. Wherever you find x, place the value of 7. If the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, then voila, you are good to go. Yes, this brings us to the end of today's edition of Solve Math. My name is George Cantriff. Till we meet again, it's adios.